Welcome to Classilia, your smart online learning platform. In this video, we will show you how to buy a session on Classilia step by step, quickly and easily.
First, create your account if you are a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password.
From the navigation bar, go to Platform Sections. Then choose the curriculum or the course you need. After that, select your level or grade and open the course details.
Select the number of sessions using the session counter. Then click the cart icon. You can increase or decrease the number of sessions as needed.
Review the number of sessions and details. Then confirm your selection.
Choose the available payment method, such as InstaPay or Wallet, and complete your payment securely.
Once the payment is confirmed, your order will be accepted. After your order is accepted, log in to your account. You will find your course and sessions in your dashboard. Simply join your session online at the scheduled time.
Start learning today with Classilia.